Oh, she's on there. And I'll take my Got2b and just put that on my hairline. You're gonna pull that. These clear adjustable straps is what tighten the lace in the back so that you can get a more natural, realistic look. Like I really wanted to give, I have a fresh relaxer, but with my textured hair. And that's what it's giving. All right, guys, let's get into it. Packaging A1, top tier. You know, honestly, it makes a difference. Here's the wig. We have a little goodie pack. It's a lot in here. Look like melt band, edge brush, adhesive strips, lashes, wig cap, and then I have a bonnet with a matching robe. Gotta love it. First off, we have the Kinky edges, so that's perfect. Can't wait to get into that. The lace has already been cut. It also has some of these blue adhesive sticky edge tabs. My knots have already been bleached as well. This is a Kinky straight texture. This is a 360 lace unit. You also have your adjustable strap. And then most importantly, you have these clear adjustable drawstring cords on the side. All right, like I said, this wig is pre-everything. As you can see, the edges have already been pre-cut, also been pre-bleached. Like everything is done for you. Look in between my natural Kinky edges and the hair. Look how crisp that look. And the edges come out all the way across the hairline. You have 3 easy steps to get a full install with this wig. 1, put the wig on. 2, take these clear straps that's on the side towards the back. So you have this little clear piece here. You're going to pull that and it will tighten the wig in the back. These clear adjustable straps is what tighten the lace in the back so that you can get a more natural, realistic look. And then get these hidden and out of the way. And then the last step is to flat iron your hair and or style it as you desire. For me, I will be straightening my hair to get a little bit more bone straight, but you can also curl it. You can leave it in its natural kinky state. The options are endless. For this install, it is somewhat glueless because I'm not using any glue. However, I will be using it's Got2b gel. And it's just going to give me a temporary glueless install. I did go in and take off those little blue adhesive stickers so that I can just use this all over. You can leave it on if you like. I used them last time, but this time I just decided to take them off in advance. Okay, one more step that I would take before I use my gel to hold the wig down. I will take this Ruby Kisses and just put that on my lace because you can see the lace is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my natural skin tone. But now it's only about a shade lighter versus 2 or 3. But that's okay because if I need more, once I'm done applying the wig, I will add more. Okay, now just pull that wig back a little bit and I'll take my Got2b and just put that on my hairline. And I'm doing a pretty thick layer. And I'm putting both on my hairline as well as on my skin. Just to make sure the lace has something to hold on to. And I'll just comb everything back. Now I'll go ahead and pull my wig down and get it into place. Because it's just gel, it's not lace adhesive glue, you can press it down with your fingers. Let's blow dry this on cool still. Okay, so now I'm just going to pull out these edges. This is not how much I'm going to keep out. This is only to make sure my wig is down. Now I'm just take this elastic band. I like to use these really thin ones because it doesn't leave like a huge mark on my forehead. I can literally just put it on the lace. All right, now I'll just blow dry it again. All right. Ooh, ow. Okay, she's down. Oh, she's on there. All right, so now the rest of the install is just customizing your wig how you like. So I'm gonna start off with my hot comb. Now I do want to keep the natural like kinkiness of the edges. However, they're just a little too kinky for my liking. I don't even wear my natural edges this kinky. So I'm just going in and running the hot comb through them a little bit. Although my natural edges are this kinky, I don't wear my natural edges this kinky. So I'm not gonna wear this kinky on a wig either. But I'm still gonna give this wig some edges because I do love the edges. What I do with the comb? Do I want a middle part or a side part or just no part? So I'm just hot comb it over to the side the way I want it to go without adding a part. I personally do not want a part, but there's definitely parting space if you wanted to add a part. So know that that's there. Middle part or side part. I just want it like flipped over. The hair is just pushed back, you know, like that. So some of the edges will go back and some will stay up for some baby hair. So I'll use this Got To Be, just spread and then swoop how I want it. Okay, so you see how I'm like trying to swoop some baby hair but leave it fluffy at the same time? Okay, so this is what I came up with. Honestly, I was just trying to get the edges to go however they want to, as well as swoop them how I like it. So you can clearly see I got some nice kinky edges. I like that. Just hit the back of this with my hot comb. Like I really wanted to give, I have a fresh relaxer, but with my textured hair. And that's what it's giving. I know I want this side pushed over, so I will go through and just hot comb this a little bit. Cool. Now put this band back on, only like towards the hairline, not necessarily trying to put it on my edges. Okay, really quick before I flat iron my hair, this is the texture of it. Really beautiful. Oh, look at that difference. It looks so good. See, this side is giving more of a yucky texture, and this side gives kinky straight. And really quick, when you are flat ironing the back of your head, you need to make sure you get those roots. So what I do is I like to just do a few passes. And then I can come back and chase it with the comb. That's why you have to do that chase. Because if not, this will be wavy and then it'll be straight. Baby, you don't want that. So hit the roots a couple times. Then you can chase. This is so nice. It fits my face so well. Take this off. We've had enough of her. There. Okay, this side just want to do what it want to do, so I'm gonna let it do what it want to do. I love her. Okay, so here's the back. This is 22 inches. So gorgeous, extremely silky and straight. So you click the link down below and go get yours because it is so bomb. And then this wig has the kinky edges, and look how fluffy my edges are. Like, it looks so natural. Rich auntie vibes. It's just giving rich auntie. And then of course I can put it up. It's giving relaxer. It's giving my natural hair. It's giving healthy. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. One more time for the hairline in the front. Now let me show you the hairline in the back. Okay, cute. We have a little bun here. But yes, this is super cute. And here's the back. Anyone can do this for a really easy, convenient install. All right, you guys, so that's all for this video. Leave me a comment down below. Most definitely click the link so you can go get yours. This wig will forever be in my collection. I love it. The lace looks so good. The edges look good. The hair is tea. It's so tea. The back, you can pull it up in a ponytail. The options are endless. Go get yours.